What's up? How are you doing? I welcome you to this part where I'm going to teach you how to secure your website. Okay, what do I mean by that? As you can see here now, this was shown as not secured. Your website is indicated now as not secured, right? Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to say. As you can see on this website now, iPage website now, you will see a lock here, mean that this site is well secured. Okay, now but here, as you can see, this is the website that we first created in this course using the page builder method, right, which is very beautiful and very sleek website, right? Yeah, so now I'm going to teach you how to secure your website. In a nutshell, what we are going to use is SSL security. That's what we are going to use. So you need to be certified with it. So it's very important for you to have an SSL certificate. Okay, but we thank God that this thing has made so very easy, so you can get it for free from any hosting provider. Okay, like the iPage company we are using now, so we can get it for free there. As you can see, free SSL certificate, right? So just for free here, it has been activated and implemented on your hosting. Okay, all you need to do is to just install the plugin that will make it function, okay, on your website. So now I would just like to tell you a little about this essence, so that you can know the work, so that you can know its purpose, so that you can know that it's very important on your website. So when installed on a web server, okay, it achieves the padlock and the HTTPS protocol, and allows security connection from a web server to the browser. As you can see now, there's no there's no lock pad here, but if you look at the iPage website here, you will see the lock pad. So that is the difference. Okay, typically SSL is used to secure credit card transaction, data transfer and logins. Okay, so I would just like to give you just little more about it. It's just the full meaning of this SSL, because you might not know the full meaning, you might not know the meaning. It's called secure socket layer. That is SSL. Is a standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a server and a client. Okay, just between a server and a client, and typically a web server, just a website, and a browser. Hope you understand that. Or a mail server and a small mail client, for example Outlook. So more specifically, SSL is security protocol. So I would like to just show you a little bit about the importance of SSL, the benefits of having an SSL certificate. Okay, the number one benefit I can just give you here is that SSL protect data. The core function of an SSL certificate is to protect server client communication. Okay, and second, the SSL affirms your identity. Okay, very important. And better search engine ranking. It enhances your your search engine ranking. Okay, and the last one I will just give you is, I think SSL also improve customer trust. Okay, it will improve how customer will trust you. They will know that yes, your website is secure. I can reveal my my sensitive or vital my sensitive information on my vital datas. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to just quickly over to the webmaster and go to our dashboard straight away. Okay, so now that we are on our dashboard, the next thing we need to do is to go and install the plugin that we need. to activate this on our website and implement it on our website. Our hosting provider has already provided this certificate for us. All we need to do is to just activate it on our website. Okay, so let's move over to plugin now and click on admin so that we can install the plugin. Okay, so let's search for it. I've forgotten the name of the plugin, but at least let me just type SSL and see what is going to bring out for us. Okay, with really simple SS. This is the plugin that we need. Now install now, very fast and quick, and activate. Good, it's activated. So let's reload and see what will happen. Now we have a notification here that detected possible certificate issue. Okay, it said we should reload over HTTPS. Let's do that now. Back to save. So now once we encounter this problem, now what we are going to do is to quickly go and consult our web hosting so that they can attend to this issue. Now seems it's not activated, though we have free access to the free certificate already, but I think we have to consult them so that they can get it enabled for us. Let's quickly move on to the hosting website, which is iPage, and quickly give them a live chat here. Let me type my name here. Okay, my website domain, okay, I click next. So select a topic, technical assistance, description, okay, SSL, good, and can you explain? I need SSL, sorry, so SSL certificates, so find help. So start chat. Great. As you can see, he has replied, "Hello Daniel, I am Bismaya. Welcome to chat support. I will definitely assist you with SSL activation." Let's see, it's asking me a question. Are you referring to the free SSL certification? Yes, man. Thanks for confirming. Let me check it. Oh yeah, quick, check it, Joe. It was saying thanks for being on hold. The free SSL is already enabled on your main domain. Don't forget, I'm using subdomain to create all this website. And so since it is designed using WordPress, you will need to install a plugin called Really Simple SS, which we've done right from WordPress dashboard to convert all the URLs to load with HTTPS, which is the secured protocol. Okay, so let him reply and see what's going to. Let me check the plugin functionality. Great. Immediately we are through with this process now. we will have something this like this HTTPS. That means the SSL security is active, the SSL certificate has been implemented. Okay, so we will see this lock key here. As you can see now, our website is just www. Nothing like HTTP, not HTTPS. Okay, and with not secured. So when we are through with this process now, we have everything that we needed. Okay, so now it said I am still here. Why adding the HTTPS URLs to your subdomain? The website shows the privacy error. It seems that the SSL certificate needs to be reconfigured. I think this problem now is because we are using what's it called, the subdomains. Admin is a straight domain. We are not going to have this kind of issue, because when I did this last, I didn't have this kind of issue because it's a straight domain. So it now said if reconfiguration of this SSL will be done within few minutes and social. So to take sure, you have to update the name server recently, right? So okay, good. To reflect the changes, it may take up to 1 hour. Okay, to make sure you have not updated the name servers recently, right? To make sure you have not updated the name server recently, right? I don't know what it's trying to say here. So I have reconfigured the free SSL. You can check back the SSL functionality after 1 hour. Okay, no problem. Okay, and if I have any issue later, I will get back to you. Okay, I will get back here. Okay, so let's get rid of this now. Great, let me reload and see, maybe that's changed, although it is after 1 hour. So we have to wait for at least 1 hour now. So after this has been reflected, so we will start the next step. Okay, we've already done the necessary things. All we need to do is to wait for the reflection. Okay, it's so sad that there is a bad news for these SSL security implementation. So what I did was that I as we were told that we should wait for at least an hour from one of the iPage team. Hope you still remember, right? So I wait for 1 hour, even more than 24 hours. So I discovered that there is no changes. Okay, and the worst part was that I discovered that what the team did, the IP team did on my C panel, really affected my website and make it be malfunctioning. So it's not working proper, it's not working normal. All my pages were showing 404 errors, so I can't access my pages. So I have to contact them again, so tender my issue for resolved. So when I contacted them, so I explained to them and they got the issue done for me. Okay, so later I now asked about the SSL security for my subdomain, that the issue has not been resolved, and so what can we do to get rid of this problem. So let me show you the evidence and the proof of the charts with one of those teams, so for you to know that I've took a step about this, and so that you can know what we have to do next. So yeah, this is it, IP support. So this is the message is sent last before I now throw the SSL issue to him. It said, thanks for your patience. I have updated HTA access file in the root folder. It is working fine now. Can you please check from your end? And confirm? So when I got this message, I quickly confirm, and I discovered that all my pages are now working well. Okay, so now later I now throw the issue of SSL to him. Okay, what of the subdomain SSL issue? He now said, I have checked the settings for your website, www.webmaster.followrightway.com. Free SS is already enabled. So this is the subdomain name we are using for that website that we want to activate the security for. Okay, so but not showing. I said, I now replied him that, but not showing. The security log is not showing. That's what I mean. Okay, and he now said, I recommend you for a paid SSL to give more protection on your website. This is where I'm going. And I said, the log key, but it should at least work for my subdomains. I mean the free SSL. I'm talking about, at least the free SSL should at least work for my other subdomains, because I've not used a subdomain to create any of my websites. So I always use standard and normal domain. So I'm just using this subdomain to save cost and to save time. Okay, just to get some things done for you very quickly. So I believe if you want to create your own website, so it's gonna be a standard website, nothing like subdomain, which is very, very great, and that is how it's going to be. Okay, so and I said the free SSL is only applicable for the main domain, which is my main domain. Okay, which is a normal routine, as in a normal stuff for them. So, and I think it will also be applicable to other hosting company, and not for the subdomains. If you want the subdomain also to be secured, we have a wildcard SSL option. So when I went through the internet to search for this wildcard SSL option of a thing, I discovered that it is a kind of another plan that you'll be able to access by maybe paying monthly or yearly or something, and I don't need that. I don't just need that, so I don't need to pay for. Let me show you. As you can see, protect multiple subdomains with card SSL certificate as low as $107.99 per year. Can you see that now? So and I'm not ready to waste my money buying certificate for my subdomain, because I don't normally use subdomain for my website. So I do use standard domain, that is all. And how much is domain? So I don't need to be wasting my money on this. Okay, I think that's what you need to do. So what I will just try to say is that the reason why we have this issue is because I'm using subdomain for this course. Okay, it's because I'm using subdomain. I didn't mean the domain I'm using is standard domain. It will appear automatically once the plugin has been installed. I want you to know that once the plugin has been, because it has been activated on your cPanel already, on your hosting side. So it has been implemented and it has been activated. All you need to do is to just go onto your dashboard and make sure that you install the really simple SS certificate of a team plugin. After that, then everything will be working fine. So let me show you. Once you install the plugin, where you can find the plugin is the settings area. Just over to settings and come down here to SSL, click on it. So I want to show you some things there. Okay, so these are the things I want to shake. These are the things I want to show you. Okay, detected setup. So once you install the plugin, all this will be verified from your hosting. Okay, so the plugin will search and detect all this setup, all the availability of this setup on your hosting. So once it has been activated on your hosting and implemented, all this will be checked green, but not all that will be checked green. Okay, because as you can see, this is a premium plan, this is a premium plan, this is a premium plan. So like this thing now will not be checked, but starting from the up here to down here will be checked. Okay, so once you see that, that means it's really activated and working fine. So I think by that you should be able to see, as in you should be able to see the lock key here, and this not secure will be get rated. Okay, so that is all for that. So very, very simple and easy. Just follow the step of took you through and everything will be fine. Okay, and if you have any problem concerning this issue, just contact me. Make sure you consult me. I'm here for you. Okay, and I want to remind you that if you have any issue or any problem, make sure you always consult the IP support, the IP team also. Okay, because as you can see, if I have any problem, I do consult them, right? So I want you to do that also. So great. See you in the next part, where I'll be able to teach you how to submit your website to search engines, or how to connect your sites to search engines. Okay, see you there.